It's really delicious.
I'm still alive! I'm still alive! Giving the chickens some pumpkins in this chaotic construction field lies the coop, the wet coop. Here's one for you, and another on that side. Some pumpkin seeds, and then give some more to these two. This is your snack. Your food. And your snack. Okie dokie.
Mo ko tinitignan. Stalker ka, no?
Hindi ah. Tugutur. We are back. We are back. You stretch. Stretch. Sir. Sabi ko stretch. Ay, ay. Pawis na ako.
Grabe ka meron ka.
No good deed goes unpunished. Do.
Play ka pong. Play ka pong.
Ni Elsa. You ikat like this the entire time. It's a full body workout. Strong Sampaguitas milk. Actually, dito sa corner na to, lagi ko yun naaamon. So, there must be something around here. Lakas eh, no? Baka dama de noche.
Yun.
Yung binili kong plant na mabango sa gabi. Although, hindi ko sure kung ano yung amoy nun.
Dama din.
Sure. Backpack time! Backpack time! I'm just following you.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Ano dito mula tayo sa bus?
Vitamin boost.
Saan? Ano? Bakit pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Ali, open.
Ay, babay pa ako.
Margarita pizza. And stracciatella. Oh, with anchovies. Hold it. Hold. So I can put the stracciatella. No, I just feel, not me. The
Okay.
pizza.
Oh, the pizza. Okay.
I'm gonna put.
Wow. Life hacks.
And then you're gonna get one. This has anchovies. Anchovies. Oh, stupid pizza. Anchovies. What can you say about the anchovy and stracciatella?
It's really
Is what?
delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. Behind the scenes ako. Ito na yung behind the scenes. Asan na si Aya?
Gusto ko yung parang iba yung direction ng kain. Ay, hindi ganun ang kain ko. Paano? Hindi ako na. Hindi ako marunong. Tulong kasama ng patol.
Uy, alam niyo, hindi ako ganito. Hindi rin
Hindi
dapat
ako.
nila.
Next na.
Wait na, ayun.
Wala ba siya sa gitna?
Ayun, thank you, ma'am. Para ayaw kasi ni groom nang maiiba yung kulay masyado.
Pag ito po, hindi naman siya masyado.
Kakulay.
Sumit. Thank you po. Speech daw po, speech. Charot. Halate, ba't ka na yung box mo? Bigay ko na po.
Girls.
Madam ang may tama yung lens.
Meron na siya.
Okay, everyone, diyan lang sa baba. Okay, lang sa akin.
Yeah.
Okay lang mo lang kayo yung bagyan na.
Sa gitna natin sila, okay lang ba sa gitna?
Okay, sila na yung gray ang ano nila. Ikaw ay natagano. Sneaky. Sneaky. Bakit ako dyan? Ano na siya? Sana kay G.
Silent screen. Ang bali ako pala sa
Bakit mo ako lagi?
Bawal umiyak ang makeup. One more step. May kiyang-biyak. Kalma.
Ako na lang magpapakasal sa iyo. What if?
Dapat na naiiyak.
Beso, beso.
Ang dami bebe.
Ayoko.
Ay, naiyak ka? Uy, ganda ng pasama, parang tato. Courtesy of Charlene.
Oh, ano yung red na. Ay, pa. Beautiful.
Mami, balik ka dun. Nakapalikutin.
Dati naman yung mukha.
Pabaliktad na, pabaliktad.
Kabila. Yan.
Yes.
Ano ang ma-reach mo yung ano? Yan.
Para umikot yung gown.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yan.
Kung gusto ko kayo.
And then one lucky shot, Lucky. You ready? One, two, 20 more. Ganyan lang, guys. And then Rocky! Rocky shot!
Si ate ay waki.
Jump shot. Ron and Giselle? Sino yun? Who is Where is Caius and Ate G?
Can you sign your... Oh, sure. Raffle pala, Mi. For the raffle, can you sign
Grabe
your
ko
name?
giving talaga yung hair mo. Love that.
We find your seat down here.
And Gian, I do pronounce you as husband and wife. Palakpakan niyo. Wala na pong point ng kasalan pag walang halikan. Di ba? So Ron, bibigyan mo si Ann na isang napakatamis at napakahabang halik naman in 10 seconds. Ngara po, pagalaw-galawin ng mga lips para walang may stroke dito. Okay? Taas mo na yung belo niya. At the count of 3, kiss the bride. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's my honor to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Cabal. Congratulations. Okay, so para po mas maganda ang grasya, maganang buhay, mag-bless kayo kay nanay, kay tatay, sa kanila po. Okay, bless mo na.
Letter I, number 23. Sawa?
I'm still alive! I'm still alive!
Maybe some of you are wondering what would be the secret recipe for you to win this game. Actually, wala eh. Let us all welcome the newlyweds, Ron and Gian Cabal. Cleverance, everybody, as we welcome them here.
Grabe talaga siya!
Yes, everybody.
And then, I said something really bad na, kasi, for that. So, tapos mo rin chat mo, gusto ko galit yung mga namin. Sining na palayas ko. Gasha kami sa isang tao. Gasha kami sa isang tao. Then I showed that, also, kung palayas na kayo, kung gusto niyo mag-away na mag-away mo, pass around. And then, magayakap ko yung kapatid.
Pass around, pass around.
Pass around.
Hello.
Parang may puting.
Pass it
Parang
around.
may natapon, di ba?
Video na ka-on.
As an ate, kasi ang leading time is years. So, as an ate, doon ko na-realize na
Video.
ano pa rin mangyari kung lang pa rin kami dalawa. Like, we may have our parents, pero it's us. Kabilang dalawa. And then, sorry.
The most beautiful girlies.
Oh, they are actually inviting all of the couples here, partners and married. Even 2 glasses, come on, let's give it to them.